And this type of problem is from the EPS topic new book, new version. No? So chapter 1 pa lang guys, may paparagraph na agad. Okay. So ito'y isa sa mga ayaw ng mga examinees. So aminin natin, di ba? So napakarami kasi ng words, napakasakit sa ulo. Okay? But in this video, we will try to learn guys, not just the vocabularies, but also the content itself, no? Kung ano yung pinag-uusapan dito. Kasi usually guys, sa exam, meron talagang part doon na paragraph tulad nito. Okay? So meron part na madadali, merong part na mahirap, and isa sa pinakamahirap na part is yung paragraph. Okay? So sa paragraph usually, yung content is about culture. Okay? So therefore, we will not just learn the words, but we will also learn the culture. Okay? The content itself. Okay? So let's try guys. Yung pag-uusapan kasi natin dito is all about the 인사예절 or the greeting manners. Okay? 한국에서는 한국 사람들이 어떻게 인사하는지에 대해서 얘기해 볼 겁니다. Okay? So we will talk about how Koreans greet. Okay? So first sentence guys, 첫 번째 문장입니다. So 한국 사람들은, okay, so yung Koreans, no? Mga Koreans daw. So 자신보다, okay, 자신 guys, it means the self, okay? Then 보다, it's a particle that you can use when you compare, okay? So 비교할 때 사용할 수 있는 조사, okay? 보다입니다. Okay, so it's not to watch ha. Hindi ito verb dito, okay? So it's a particle. Ang meaning nito guys is than or kaysa sa. Okay? So meaning 자신보다 kaysa sa sarili mo. Okay? Than yourself. Okay? Than myself. Okay? Then 나이가 많거나. Okay? So 나이가 많다. 나이 means age. Then 많다, yung ibig sabihin niya guys is marami. So literal, 나이가 많다, which means marami yung edad. Okay, mas matanda. So 자신보다 나이가 많다, meaning mas matanda kaysa sa sarili mo. Okay, mas maraming edad kaysa sa sayo, sa sarili mo. Okay. Then 거나, it means or. Okay, grammatical structure, that means or. Okay, 지위가 높은 사람. Okay, so 사람 na may mataas na position. Okay, 지위. Okay, the position. Okay, 지위가 높은 사람에게. So, 에게, particles din po siya guys. That means to someone. Okay, sa mga tao. Okay, sa mga tao na may mataas na position or mas matanda kaysa sa sarili mo. Okay, 인사할 때. Okay, yan na naman guys. 인사하다, to greet. Then lialte, grammatical structure which means when or sa tuwing or when, no? So when you greet, 인사할 때. So when you greet to the persons who have higher position or who are older than you, yan yung ibig sabihin yan guys. 허리. Okay, 허리 is the waist. Okay, then 굽혀. Okay, from the verb 굽히다, which means to bend. Okay, so i-bend mo daw yung waist, then 인사합니다. So you greet. So meaning guys, yung Koreans daw, they greet bending their waist. Okay, so nagbabaw in short. When they greet the persons who have higher position or older than they are. Okay, so ito ibig sabihin ng first sentence guys. So there are so much words and I hope hindi pa kayo nalalasing. Okay? 자, 두 번째 문장. So second sentence guys. Okay, 자신보다. Okay, so ito na naman, than yourself. 어리거나. Okay, so 어리다 yung verb, it means to be young. Okay, 거나 again, or 친한 사람에게는. Okay, so two persons, saram, two persons daw na 친한, close, yung malapit sa'yo. Okay, 친한 사람. So, 친한 친구 means close friend. Okay, so 친한 사람, close person. Okay, so two close friends or to the persons younger than you, yan po yung sabihin yan. Okay, ano yung paano mag-greet? 어떻게 인사해야 돼요? So ito yon. 손을 흔들어 인사합니다. So 손을 흔들다 means to wave your hands. Okay? So 손을 흔들 수 있습니다. Okay, so you can wave your hands to the persons close to you or to the persons younger than you. Okay? So yun po yung ibig sabihin ng pangalawang sentence. Okay? Then next, again sa first sentence guys, when you greet a person na mas may mataas na position sa'yo at saka mas matanda sa'yo, you have to bend your waist, no? 허리를 굽혀서 인사해야 합니다. Okay? Yan po ibig sabihin ng last. And then sa person na mas bata sa'yo or sa close mo na kaibigan or mga malapit sa'yo na tao, 손을 흔들 수 있습니다. So you can wave your hands. Okay? So yun po ibig sabihin. Next, 공적인 상황에서는, okay, so 공적인, okay, so it means guys in public or informal situations, yan po yung ibig sabihin ng public situations. Okay, so 상황 kasi means situation. So in the situation daw na formal, 주로 usually 악수를 하며, so 악수를 하다 means to shake hands, no, magkumustahan. 하며, yung myo dyan guys, it means and. Okay, so shake hands usually daw and insahamnida. Okay, so they greet shaking hands in the formal situations. Okay, so itte, so at this time, so it refers to public situations or the formal situations guys, yung itte. So 자신보다 than yourself, 나이가 훨씬 많거나. Okay, ito guys, merong 훨씬. Okay, so it means far much more, no? So meaning 나이가 훨씬 많다, meaning napakalayo na ng agwat ng edad. Okay, or 지위가 높은 사람이라면. Okay, so ano guys, if tao daw siya, di ba, 이라면, it means if dyan guys, no? 이라면. So if it's a person, saram, na may mataas na position daw, or a person na medyo malayo yung agwat ng edad, okay, kaysa sa sarili mo. Okay, so paano daw? 왼손으로, okay, 왼손. Okay, 왼손 means yung left hand. Then 으로, it means guys using. Okay, using your left hand. 오른팔을 받치고, so 오른팔. Okay, so right. Okay, 오른 means right, and then yung 팔 means arms. Okay, so 오른팔, right arm, 받치고. So meaning to support, from the verb 받치다, which means to support. Meaning susuportahan daw yung right hand gamit yung left hand. So ganito yun guys. Okay, ito yung left hand, susupport mo siya. Okay, and then ganyan. So ganyan yung pag-shake hands, hindi ganyan. Okay, kundi ganyan. Okay? Politely. Okay? So, ku and aksu해야 합니다. So, aksu, again, shake hands. Then, 해야 합니다. Have to. So, meaning, you have to support your right hand, right arm using the left hand. Okay? So, yan po yung ibig sabihin ng last. Okay, that's informal situations or in public situations. Okay, so you can only do that guys to when you greet a person who has higher position than you or who is older than you. Okay, so yun po yung ibig sabihin ng buong sentence or buong paragraph. Okay, so ngayon hahanapin natin yung 같은 것. Okay, so 같은 것을 찾아야 합니다. Okay, so 1번 친한 친구에게는 허리를 굽혀서 인사해야 합니다. So, ya 합니다, it means have to. So, meaning you have to greet, okay? Bending your waist. Okay, yung pagbend ng waist, guys, is 친한 친구? 친한 친구에게 그렇게 인사해야 합니까? Okay, ganun ba? 아니에요. 아닙니다. Okay? Paano nga pag ano, guys? 친한 친구에게 어떻게 인사해야 하죠? So, paano ngayon? Mag-greet sa mga close friends? 네, 손을 흔들어 인사할 수 있습니다. Okay, so you can greet by waving your hands. Okay, 아닙니다. mali po yung number 1. Number 2, 궁적인 상황에서, okay, so in the public situation, ayan po yung guys, tingnan mo, insa할 때는, okay, so when you greet in the situation daw na formal, okay, 주로, usually, 손을 흔듭니다. Okay, so 손을 흔듭니다. Okay, so wave hands. Usually daw, waving of hands, ganun, in the formal situation. A닙니다. Okay, so mali po guys. In formal situations, paano ngayon? Yes, you have to 악수를 해야 합니다. So, shake hands. Okay? So, 왼손으로 오른팔을 받치고 악수해야 합니다. Okay, ganun po yun dapat. Okay, mali po yung number 2. Next, 한번, number 3. 자신보다 than yourself, 나이가 많은 사람과는, okay, so yung 과 dyan guys, it means with. So with the person na mas mataas or marami or mas matanda sa'yo, ganun na lang in a simple term, okay, 악수를 하지 않습니다. So meaning, you don't, G 않습니다, it's a grammatical structure which means not. Okay? So, you don't, okay? You don't shake hands. Okay? You don't shake hands with person na mas matanda sa iyo. Hindi ba guys? 악수를 하지 않습니까? 나이가 많은 사람과? 아니에요. 악수를 할 수도 있습니다. So you can shake hands also, no? Pwede ka rin mag-shake hands, guys. Mali yung number 3 kasi nakalagay dito, 나이가 훨씬 많거나, ayan. So, 어떻게 해야 하죠? paano ngayon? Yes, 왼손으로 오른팔을 받치고 악수해야 합니다. So, you can shake your hands by supporting your right arm using your left hand. Ganun. So, mali yung number 3. Then last, number 4, ito na yung tamang sagot, guys. 지위가 높은 사람과, okay, 과, it means with in this context. Sometimes kasi it can mean and, pero dito guys, with, okay? So, with the person who has higher position, 지위가 높다, okay? Ayan. 악수할 때, so when you greet with person who has higher position, okay, 어떻게 해야 합니까? Okay, paano nga? 왼손으로 오른팔을 받칩니다. Okay, so 왼손으로 using your left hand, your right arm should be supported. Okay, yun po yung ibig sabihin ng number 4, guys. So, the number 4 is the correct answer. Okay? So, I hope guys, you've learned a lot in this video.